Yo, what's up guys, welcome to a new YouTube video. In this video we will be opening star drops or demon angel ones, but yeah, we do get 17 on both accounts, so my alts and on my main. Alright, so now we will be going into our alt account and opening those 17 star drops that we did get. So yeah, if you guys like this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you. Alright guys, that will be the end of this star drop opening. So if you guys enjoyed the video, like, subscribe and all that. And yeah, thank you for watching. This is just basically the end. And yeah, this is basically what I got. I got a max angel skin and a Angelo whatever skin that is, but yeah. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and yeah, have a good day.